Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save the summary of your plots in form of a PDF report. So as you can see that I have my Power BI dashboard open, and in this report I have around 6 visuals. 4 of them are plots and 2 of them are cards. What I have done, I have taken each of the 2 visuals on my next page and now I am going to summarize it. So for my first visual, which is in a form of table, I cannot summarize it because it is already summarized. Then I am going to choose this visual, which is a bar chart, stacked bar chart, and then I am going to right click on it and then I am going to summarize it. After that, I am going to choose the option custom and I am going to place it right beside the visual. And here you go, we have the summary of the visual. I am going to do the same thing for the remaining 2 visuals on my page 3. Select the visual, right click on it and summarize, and then custom. Here you go. And then the same procedure for another visual. Okay. After that, I'm going to go into the file option and here I'm going to choose export and then I'm going to choose export to PDF. Now Power BI will save this report in the form of a PDF and it is automatically going to open in the Google Chrome folder. As you can see that we have the PDF format of the report, which shows us a summary for each of the visual. You can do this for multiple visuals and it is a pretty easy form to see or understand your data. I hope this video was useful and knowledgeable for you. See you in the next video.